Welcome to my CopyHackBox review. Recently, I have been told about a tool that can solve the struggles of creating marketing copies called CopyHackBox. A lot of questions have been raised and people are doubting what it is, how to use it properly, and whether it really can replace copywriters. So I decide to make this video to help you understand the product. You can also check out the review that I wrote in the description box explaining CopyHackBox features and its pricing plans. I also include some bonuses that will help with your online business. Now, let's discover CopyHackBox. 1. What is CopyHackBox created for? CopyHackBox is a brand new software app that allows you to ethically swipe and write full-blown, high-converting, and complete product sales copy and VSL scripts. Unlike other AI tools like ChatGPT, it creates persuasive sales copy that actually converts visitors into buyers. In any niche. Simple as it sounds, CopyHackBox consists of 5 powerful tools to make things easier and quicker for you. So, what are the 5 tools included? Tool 1. Copy Hacker. With the click of your mouse, you'll be able to hack any sales letter, script, email, or funnel so you can quickly rewrite it as your own within seconds. Tool 2. Headline Writer. This powerful tool cranks out attention-grabbing headlines faster than you can blink. Tool 3. Long-Form Boss. No other AI tool in the world is able to create long-form sales copy that actually converts. But CopyHackBox has this tool built right into the app. Tool 4. Build Copy Tool. Edit and create copyright inside the app so you don't have to waste time going back and forth. Tool 5. Plagiarism Checker. This is another area where most AI copy apps fail and leave you open for lawsuit and embarrassment. But CopyHackBox includes a powerful plagiarism checker to ensure all of your copy is legal. 3. How to efficiently use CopyHackBox. This app is built for those who are not good at writing content or using complicated software, so it's made completely easy to use. Simply follow 3 steps and you will be able to create a sales copy in the style you want. Please watch the demo video presented by the software developer.
Welcome to CopyHackBox, the first-to-market breakthrough and futuristic AI-powered app that ethically copy-hacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites brand new sales scripts for any product or service and in any niche, all in minutes. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Step 1. Copy and paste. CopyHackBox allows you to search our database for 2,000 plus sales copy swipes in multiple niches that you can model in your business. But not only that, CopyHackBox lets you copy and paste the URL of any page or video to swipe the script with just a click. What's more, CopyHackBox lets you copy and paste any text, email, sales page, or script into a sophisticated editor which can do some magic for you. Let me show you how. Step 2. Ethically rip off. CopyHackBox allows you to ethically rip off any high-converting copy you have submitted into the app. What it does is to automatically rewrite the entire copy using AI with a single click of your mouse. Then you can do that with any of the CopyHackBox tools available to you. Step 3. Profit. Use the copy for yourself or sell it to clients for big profits. Did you know the average price for just one sales copy is around $2,000? And you can do way more than that per client. And combining your little time together with the power of CopyHackBox, you can do wonders with it. This thing is just terrific. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. With CopyHackBox, you could write high-converting headlines with the built-in headline generator with just a few clicks. You can create high-converting long-form sales copy, all done with AI. You can create an entire sales copy section by section by simply providing a short description. And you can also translate any copy or script into other languages for more ways to profit. And if you decide to take the most advantage of CopyHackBox by accessing the upgrades, you will be able to unlock unlimited projects, unlock 100 plus languages, unlock workspaces, be able to request niches in CopyHacker, everything you need to establish a copywriting agency or freelancing business. You can create video scripts with voiceovers in 100+ languages with a single click. Create pre-sale emails, promotional emails, cold calling emails, soap opera welcome sequences, Seinfeld engagement sequences, and more. And last but not least, you will even have the awesome ability to resell CopyHackBox and keep 100% of the money to yourself without handling any support yourself. We will take care of everything for you. You will not find these valuable upgrades anywhere else online. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step-by-step how to use and profit with CopyHackBox the quick and easy way. Just join our CopyHackBox VIP list. Request your CopyHackBox affiliate link. Get the CopyHackBox Partners Launch Doc. Really, no other solution will give your audience as much value for their money. So if you're looking to profit huge as an affiliate by promoting the first-to-market, breakthrough, and futuristic AI-powered app that ethically copyhacks any sales page or VSL and rewrites brand new sales scripts for any product or service in any niche all in minutes, act now, get your affiliate link, and promote it hard. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
After watching how it works, do you agree with me that CopyHackBox is a great alternative that not only saves us time and money, but also helps us to create hypnotic copy quickly? On top of that, the creator also provides bonuses that will boost the results to the next level. Exclusive bonus number 1: unlimited license to Ultimate SEO plus Social Short Text Writer Tool. Exclusive bonus number 2: unlimited license to Powerful Lead Management Tool. This bonus app is an easy-to-use lead management tool that allows you to generate, nurture, and convert leads under one roof. Exclusive bonus number 3: unlimited license to AI-powered SEO-friendly content generation app. This is an AI-powered content writing tool. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze and understand text, allowing it to generate high-quality, unique content for your website or funnels. Don't forget that you'll get the bonuses from my side as well. There are more than 20 packages in different categories that you can choose from to resonate with your needs. Check them in the description box. Next, does CopyHackBox require users to pay monthly? I know that most content apps on the market right now are subscription-based. This means you need to pay a recurring fee monthly, quarterly, or yearly. But with CopyHackBox, you just pay one time and use it for the rest of your whole life. The price to get it is $47. Please apply my coupon code COPY10OFF to get a $10 discount. This code will expire soon, so I hope that you can lock in your discount as soon as possible. You have no risk for 30 days when you get CopyHackBox today. If you change your mind for any reason, just email the support team and they'll send you a refund. Okay, this is the end of my CopyHackBox review. Just a kind reminder that you can always find my review article in the description box with full details and special bonuses. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment to let me know. See you in my next video.